Human rights are fundamental rights that every individual is entitled to by virtue of being human. These rights are inherent, inalienable, and universal, meaning they apply to all people regardless of their nationality, ethnicity, religion, or any other characteristic. Human rights are enshrined in various international treaties and declarations such as the Universal Declaration of Human Rights adopted by the United Nations in 1948. The concept of human rights is based on the idea that every person has inherent dignity and worth and therefore deserves to be treated with respect and fairness. Human rights encompass a wide range of civil, political, economic, social, and cultural rights that are essential for the well being and dignity of individuals. These rights include the right to life, liberty, and security of person, the right to freedom of expression and assembly, the right to education and health care, and the right to work and participate in cultural life. Human rights are not just abstract principles, they have real world implications for individuals and societies. When human rights are respected, protected, and fulfilled, people are able to live with dignity, freedom, and equality. They are able to participate fully in society, express their opinions, and pursue their goals and aspirations. On the other hand, when human rights are violated, people suffer from discrimination, oppressions, and injustice, leading to poverty, conflict, and social unrest. In conclusion, human rights are essential for the dignity, freedom, and well being of all individuals. They are universal, inalienable, and indivisible and must be respected, protected, and fulfilled by governments, international organizations, civil society, and individuals. Upholding human rights is not only a moral imperative but also a legal obligation under international law. By working together to promote, promote and defend human rights, we can create a more just, peaceful, and inclusive world for all.